Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to fix the Gecko driver launching Firefox browser without the system set property. So I'm going to launch the Firefox browser without setting the system property. So if I run this right, I'll be getting this error, java.lang.IllegalStateException. So this one, right, everything is perfect in my system, but how to fix that? So go to this URL to get the latest Gecko driver. So already I have downloaded with the latest releases. So this one, right, I have downloaded and extracted to in my desktop. After downloading this Gecko driver, I have just put in the path in my D drive. So this D drive, right, I saved this geckodriver.exe. Just copy this path. You need to set the environmental variables. So go to control panel. Go to control panel and click the system and security and click the system. Here you need to click this change settings. Under system properties, right, go to advanced, click on this environmental variables. So under system variables, right, search for path. This path, I am going to edit this and click new and paste that. Paste the geckodriver.exe path here. So give OK, OK, and OK. Just close this. I'm closing all this and even close your Eclipse. You need to restart your PC. So exit. I'm going to restart my PC now. Click restart. So now my PC is got restarted. I'm going to open the Eclipse. Open Eclipse. Launch. Then open your code. And now I'm going to run after the environmental variable setup. Save. Run. See, this time is perfectly launched with my URL. So it's cool, right? So this is the way you can fix the issue. So what you need to do is, once you set the environmental variables, you need to restart your PC. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks and make your forms. Thank you. Bye.